Hey, what's up, BBQ lovers? Jeremiah Johnson here with I Need BBQ. Today we're tackling one of the biggest questions I get. How do you know when your meat is done without cutting into it? Let's get into it. Now I get it, you want to check if your meat is cooked through, but slicing it open? Big mistake. You'll lose all those juices and nobody wants dry barbecue. So what's the right way? Let's break it down. The most reliable way? A meat thermometer. Every pitmaster and backyard griller should have one. Just insert it into the thickest part of your meat, avoiding bones and fat, and check the temp. Here's what you're aiming for. Chicken, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Pork ribs and shoulder, 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Brisket, 200 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Steak and burgers, 125 degrees Fahrenheit for rare, 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium, and so on. No thermometer? No problem. If you're cooking steak, you can use the hand test. Open your hand, relaxed. That's rare. Touch your thumb to your index finger and feel the base of your thumb. That's medium rare. Middle finger, medium. Ring finger, medium well. Pinky, that's well done. For ribs, use the bend test. Grab them with tongs and give them a slight bounce. If they crack but don't fall apart, they're ready. Too stiff, keep them going. Too loose, might have gone a little too long. For brisket, I like the butter test. Take a slice and let it drape over your knife or finger. If it bends easily but doesn't fall apart, you nailed it. So there you have it. No need to cut into your meat to check if it's done. Use a thermometer, the hand test, the wiggle test, and the butter test. You'll get juicy, tender barbecue every time. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more BBQ tips, and drop a comment if you have any other BBQ questions. Keep that smoke rolling, and I'll see y'all next time.